Hi, Mike McCarthy, the Insurance Advisor. Did you know that ACC offers two plans? In this video, I'm going to talk about ACC CoverPlus and ACC CoverPlus Extra. CoverPlus is the default scheme that all New Zealand taxpayers are automatically placed on by default. The only people in New Zealand that have a choice of what scheme they go on are those who are self-employed, that are not on PAYE, declare their income once a year, take drawings as income. Many business owners stay on CoverPlus without even realising there is another option available. With CoverPlus, you receive an ACC invoice after your tax return is submitted. The cost of CoverPlus is determined from the level of income you declare in your tax return, so that cost fluctuates each year and you have no idea what the cost will be until you get your invoice that you have to pay. Now, ACC does insure you for healthcare, accidental death and income compensation, and it's the income compensation that costs you the most. If you have an accident and you can't work, ACC typically pays 80% of your income up to a maximum. However, because accountants quite rightly work hard to minimise your taxable income, this can sometimes mean your ACC compensation may be lower than what you expect if you have an accident and ever need to claim. So the other option, ACC CoverPlus Extra, which you must apply for if you're eligible, and you should apply for it, with advice of course. There are two key reasons why you should switch to CoverPlus Extra, if you can. Firstly, you can choose how much income you want ACC to insure you for. So you can agree a fixed level of cover with ACC. That also fixes the cost for you, gives you certainty at claim time and simplifies your relationship with ACC. If you ever suffer from an accident, you also don't need to prove your income at claim time because your compensation is fixed. That means you get paid quicker. Secondly, there are no abatements with ACC CoverPlus Extra. With CoverPlus, as you start returning to work after your injury, ACC gradually abate you, which means they reduce the money that they pay you. With CoverPlus Extra, you continue receiving your full agreed payment until your doctor confirms that you've returned to work up to 6 hours a day or more. This means you can work, earn what you like, and still receive the full ACC benefit that you have fixed with them. Typically, I tell my clients to call me directly if they've had an accident that's likely to take them out of work, and then I walk them through the best way to deal with their GP and ACC. How much does CoverPlus Extra cost? Well, on average, it's about $100 more per year than the default scheme. So really, it's a no-brainer. You just need to pay for it in advance, opposed to arrears. That's why switching to CoverPlus Extra is best done at the beginning of a financial year. Now, you might be wondering why a financial advisor and insurance guy is talking to you now about ACC, and that reason is simple. ACC is effectively an insurance that you pay for. And because I specialise in income, health and life insurance, ACC forms a key part of that overall structure. Do you already have private income protection in place? As it would pay to check if that income protection policy will pay while ACC is paying. Because in most cases, ACC takes precedence and offsets private income protection, which means your private income protection won't pay while ACC pays. I know strategies where you can get all or some of your private income protection paying on top of ACC. So, in summary, here's 3 questions to ask yourself. 1. What ACC scheme are you actually on? 2. If right now you had an accident and then you couldn't work for a period of time, how much would ACC pay you after they've taken the tax off? 3. Have income protection at the moment, private income protection? Do you know if that will pay if ACC are paying you at the same time? So if you'd like to better understand your ACC cover or see how ACC CoverPlus Extra would work better for you, then just get in touch. My advice is completely free. So reach out on the number below and the email below for a quick chat. I'll be happy to point you in the right direction. Thanks for listening.